So today we are getting ready to go on a flight. I live in LA. Currently going to Vegas. We are flying to Vegas. So that flight's gonna be maybe 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting ready for the day, but it's like get ready with me for the airport, but really for Las Vegas, lit, turn up. We're gonna have fun. Vegas is always just a good time. Yeah, I don't know how I wanna wear my makeup. I really haven't been, I've been wearing like extra makeup, but I've been doing my makeup a whole nother way. And I don't know, I feel like it's super easy and it looks good. I'm gonna do it like that again today. Yeah, I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows. If you know me, you know I can't talk and do this. And I want them to be a bit messy today. If you guys watch any of my vlogs, you know that we always go to Vegas. Like, it's our favorite place in the world. I haven't really been posting on Snapchat, and it's only because I don't have any storage on my phone. So I've been posting a lot on my Instagram stories, so be sure to follow me, DEVINCI, on Instagram. All right, so now that we're here, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my mattifying primer. The only reason why I'm gonna use this mattifying primer is because I'm going to Vegas. Vegas is currently like 107 degrees and I'm wearing makeup. Focus it in my T-zone areas, the places that normally actually get oily. We are going to take our concealer brush. This is the Morphe M224 brush. I always use this brush. I'm gonna do a video on my travel makeup items, like the items that I bring with me when I'm traveling, because they're literally my favorite products and I think that you guys might enjoy that. So video on that coming soon. So lately I've just been lining the bottom brow. The top brow I've been leaving it more natural. Actually, I want to go in with a bit of Sunbeam by Benefit, just so I can have a nice little glow underneath, like, you know, and I'm gonna just blend it in with my fingers. Concealer that I've been loving to use is the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan. It's kind of good, like literally it's kind of good. But as you guys can see, I don't have any foundation on. I'm gonna just go in with my concealer. I've been recently doing with my makeup and it's been fun. So we're gonna go in with the concealer. To the nose, some on the chin, and I'm actually gonna put some here only because I don't have on any foundation. We're gonna go in with our damp beauty blender, Morphe sponge, and just begin blending. And you guys, I realized that this technique is so much faster. Like literally, it's so fast. Especially if you wanna go for a, oh my gosh, you look nice. You look good. And you're like, it only took me 10 minutes. It literally is gonna only take you 10 minutes. We've got it blended out a bit. You know, it's not as blended as it could be, but it's blended out a bit. So now we're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty, yes, our Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Mocha, and put it in all the areas we would normally contour. And I'm also gonna bring it down my jawline, side of the cheek. We kind of made that one kind of skinny. But yeah, that's really it. Not really on our forehead too much, but just like a little bit. We're gonna go in with our foundation. This is the Total Control. This is actually probably not a good foundation for me to use in Vegas. I don't feel like wasting foundation, but I just put the drops down my face. You know, I started like right here and everything is gonna really be flawless. I don't know if anybody else really does this technique, but it's kind of nice. Do you guys see how easy blending that contour out was? We didn't even blend it out, we just put foundation over it. And I don't know, it just looks freaking awesome. So if you're like really terrible with your makeup, and you want to wear a full coverage, try this technique and let me know how it works out for you. Don't forget to share with a friend who needs some help. Okay, now we're gonna blend out the sides of our nose. I feel like it made blending out contour and highlight a dream, you know, literally a dream. But what I'm gonna do now is just go in with my Kat Von D concealer, and I'm gonna just touch up a bit of my spots. So now that we're here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our meeee banana powder. Okay, we're gonna go down the bridge of our nose. And I like to use this flat edge brush to keep everything symmetrical. Okay, I'm just setting everywhere because I know that I'm going to have this makeup on at least for like 8 hours. And this is NYX, so it's drugstore, it's good, but if I don't like really set my shit, we're gonna be all over the place. Now that we're here, we're gonna go in with our Cover FX pressed powder. You guys know that I really like this stuff. And I'm just going to first tap the translucent powder on my face, going with the pressed powder, and just press that into my pressed powder. Y'all know I love this stuff. I'm never gonna not use it till it's all gone and they don't have no more in the store, but y'all know I love this stuff. Then I'm gonna just blend it in. This is really my everyday look when I wanna look really put together fast. All right, so before we bake our, like the sides of our jaw, we're going to just add our almuretto. Y'all know I love this blush. I think it's limited edition, but I love this blush. Oh yeah, I gotta wipe off my bake. I forgot. Okay, so let's just dust off our bake. If you find that it's a bit too cakey for you, or it looks, I don't know, like it doesn't, but you could always just go in with a bit of your powder and just begin dusting it off. Guys, see, we look perfect and it's snatched. Like a full-on snatch. I can still see that little bit of glow from the highlight, but it does bring more dimension to your face. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna spritz our face before we spray our, do our highlight. So I'm just using my badescu Rose Whitening Setting Spray. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with, I've been using Hustla Baby. It's actually been really cute. So I'm gonna go in with Hustla Baby by Rihanna. It's been making me feel like super, I don't know, just glam. And then I'm actually gonna go on top with my Artist Couture Illuminati. We'll bring her on the side of the nose. So at this point, you could go in with like some lashes if you wanted to. You could go in with eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever you want to do. But this is my get ready with me, and we are just gonna call it a day. If I could find my lash glue, I'll put on lashes. If not, we're gonna use our handy dandy volumizing mascara. Like Trendsetter is always a good vibe. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys at the airport so I don't like miss my flight. And yeah, I'll tune back in a hot one.
Time to turn up. I'm ready to party.
So bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, that bitch is only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.